Using the floating techniques that we've just learned, I've built this simple layout here for my website, Ragamuffin Supply. So this is made up of a header, a footer, and 3 sections that are creating 3 columns. So the first column has an ID of new, the center column has an ID of music, and the third column has an ID of clothing. And you can see that by floating all of them left and setting them to the width of 33.3%, I was able to get them to appear taking up 1/3 of the space. Now this looks pretty good and all, but one of the things I don't like is that my layout is staying on the left-hand side. Let's say that I'd like to center my Ragamuffin Supply layout so that it's always in the middle of the screen on large and small monitors alike. Well, fortunately, I've wrapped all of this content inside of one element, which is this div with the class of wrapper. So what I can do is by moving wrapper into the center, it will move all of the other elements inside of it. In order to move an element into the center, we can set its margin to 0 auto. What this does is the first value is 0, meaning 0 margin on the top and bottom. And the second value is auto, meaning an automatic amount of margin on the left and right. So here we can see the auto margin on the left matches the auto margin on the right. And if we drag to make the screen larger or smaller, it will adjust the margin accordingly